now gloomily left to the mercy of originally the Romanesque. A century later, the castle and
a castle is. It's actually nature made a way inside to get here. Bygone era, it's beautiful. There is left so much history in this place, and today we're going to show it to you as always. So, as you could probably hear a gunshot, they are hunting in this area.
It's quite early in the morning, but
With courtyard, one of the windows is
well, here was once the main entrance.
a lot of hair
Yeah, and this is the pottery part.
hanging over there on the walls. Next to those nails.
That stove. I was thinking like it's a stove. It's curious. Let's have a first
Look at that.
unbelievable. It's very, very.
It was like in this bucket. It must be some kind of statement. Or a middle. Still in the center, all the chair.
Unique. Just
Oh, look at this. That's the actual castle.
oh yeah.
But what did you want to say about
Well,
unique?
yeah. What I wanted to say is, especially that it's so unique how it's made. Second of all, it's so unique that it's still in this condition. Because wow,
Yeah,
it's
that's
in very good condition, man.
truly
You
remarkable.
just see that nature only did its job, and that's it. The only entrance was really recently made by nature.
True. Also, look at those drapes over here. Healing over massive sofa. So the windows are huge. Wow.
What do you have over here?
This is all still so pristine. Look at that.
It's all wooden decorations, handmade. Phew. It's pretty unique.
Seems like they collected this. A lot of cutlery inside here and silverware.
Yeah, is it real silverware?
I think so. It seems it's silverware. There is also an emblem at the back.
Yeah, this is real silverware.